The Nongmadan Sports, Social and Cultural Club had organized a football tournament on the 9th of April 2022 at Mawmih village, East Khasi Hills district. The chief guest on the occasion was former Congress MLA of Shillong, HDR Lingdor. Others present were the chairman of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Lamprang Bla, members of the Dorbar Shillong Mawmih, members of the Nongmadan Sports, Social and Cultural Club, residents of the village and others. The trophies to winners were sponsored by the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya. Speaking as chief guest on the occasion, HDR Lingdor offered his support to the village and encouraged residents to come forward and apprise him of their needs and grievances so as to enable him to address such issues at the right time and in right earnest. Lingdor also lauded the efforts of the Nongmadan Sports, Social and Cultural Club for organizing the football tournament, which he says will bring people together through emotional integration and at the same time encourage sportsman spirit amongst the players.
Menyerap nama tak kita dotcom kecuali. Te ada sultanat esibun, bat kawiru, kawa mafikum ka sports club. Pi organize segini kejingelakai. Apa kejingelakai kalau kau dotcom wala tak kena senang hangne kim yo ban kim boy sedu luput sedu ka final. Hari kila ban yoi yang kejingelakai juga ni kim. Perlok sebelah pui hadu kene hakadika kep kawan yele yang kanam ladu hakadika tournament kapal mentah. Tiga jingle kai sports kalau kemudian kamha baling bakadika sports ialah ban yang pui kum ni bat gi itu itau kawara yang kajing jan kawara yang kajing Shillong sipara Hagabah tiap sering yang emotional integration. Tengah don kampai kan ni, bat kecing lekai, amdai bagian lekai bagian dong, banyak lebor, ia ekobol, jadi bandon ke sportsman spirit.
The match that was played between Diengbilat Sports Club and Nsscc Sports Club saw both teams pressing towards a score. However, a penalty shootout was awarded to the teams where the game ended with Diengbilat Sports Club winning the match over Nsscc Sports Club by 5-4. The winners were awarded a trophy and a cash prize of Rs 30,000, while the runner-up team was awarded a cash prize of Rs 20,000. A Man of the Match trophy was also awarded to one of the players of the Diengbilat Sports, Social and Cultural Club.